Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Today we making beautiful resin art with help of resin. So let's go start. This is amazing keychain with beautiful colors. We are making keychains with help of resin art, and this is a very amazing and mindful activity. A beautiful art. Make sure your mold is clean and dry. So pour your resin into your mold and put in the mold some resin with amazing colors, and if you want, sprinkle some glitter. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.